Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to message on TikTok if your account is under 16. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification in our channel because we post content like this in our channel. So to get notified for videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on. So let's start today's video. So basically, you cannot message on TikTok if your account is under 16. That's the rule of TikTok. So there's one way to solve this problem over here. Like, you can change the age of your account. Like, basically TikTok doesn't allows you to change your age. Like, once you keep an age when you're creating an account, you cannot change it later, but there's a trick which you can use to change this. So basically, tap on me, then at the top right corner tap on the three dot, then log out from this account. Don't worry, we're gonna log into it again. Not now. Log out. Now once you log out from this account, click on sign up again, and then click on don't have an account. On the bottom there's like sign up in red color, click on it. So now click on use phone or email. So now enter a birthday which is above 16. So I'm gonna enter a random birthday over here, putting a date. Alright, so this date is perfect. I'm over 18. If I put this birthday, press on next. Now go on email. Now enter the email address of your previous account, like the account from which I just logged out. I'm going to enter the email of the account from which I just logged out. You enter the email from which you just logged out. So I'm going to enter it over here. Now enter a password for your account over here. Let me enter mine. So after entering the password, click on next. Then enter a username. So I'm going to put my old username, which is this. So click on sign up. Then boom, I just signed up to my TikTok account, which is over 18. And now I can message whoever I want. Let's go on inbox over here. So as you guys can see, that's how to message on TikTok under 16. So let me recap everything. Just make your account over 16, okay? That's it. Like, if your account is below 16, then follow these steps and make it above 16 again, so you can message. So if this video was helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day, everybody. Peace out.